Hi everyone. Juarez is one of the best hiking destinations in the world. Located in northern Peru, Juarez is a fantastic base for trekking in the Cordillera Blanca and the Cordillera Negra. In this video, we're going to show you the best day hikes to do in these mountain ranges. Many of the hikes in this video aren't well known to tourists. Personally, Beck and I spent over a month hiking in Juarez, so we had a decent amount of time to explore some hidden gems. It's actually some of these lesser known hikes, such as the Four Lagunas trek, Laguna 513, Laguna Chayap, and Laguna Yaca, which were our favorite day hikes in Juarez. Of course, we also hiked the most popular trails, such as Laguna 69, Laguna Peron, Laguna Churub, Laguna Wilcacocha, and Pastoruri Glacier. We hope that this video will help you plan your trekking adventures in Juarez. For additional information about these hikes, we recommend checking out our Juarez hiking guide. You'll find the link in the description below. On top of that, we've provided links to all of the individual Juarez hiking guides we've written. So if you're interested in a certain hike, such as the epic Four Lagunas trek, you'll find the link for that hiking guide in the description below as well. If you have any questions about hiking in Juarez, feel free to leave us a comment and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to keep up to date with all of our latest hiking videos. Cheers!